32 million tons. That's the amount of solid waste Nigeria generates every year. 2.5 million tons. That's how much of that waste consists of plastic. Yet, only 10% of this plastic waste is recycled. The rest, it clogs drainage systems, fuels urban flooding, and pollutes the environment, posing severe health risks according to the United Nations Industrial Development Organization in 2024. But what if we could turn this waste problem into construction solution? Presenting EcoMod tiles, a solution developed by responsible consumption and production from R4I30. EcoMod tiles is a sustainable and thermal-friendly tile solution that transforms plastic waste into high-performance building materials. Made with recycled plastic waste and sawdust, these tiles help reduce environmental pollution while enhancing durability. EcoMod tiles isn't just a flooring solution. It is an innovation in comfort, durability, and sustainability. This journey to the development of this solution wouldn't be possible without the immense support of TED Fund and Innovate Hub through the R4I initiative, as well as our institution, Federal Polytechnic Bauchi, for nominating us. Now, the choice is simple. Keep stepping on problems or start working on solutions. Choose EcoMod tiles. Choose sustainability. Choose a future where waste builds, not destroys.